Hello everyone, you are all welcome to Alveoli e-learning. Alveoli e-learning is a non-governmental organization that supports the learning of students across the country. We are going to have a look at what you have to know as a midwifery student and the basics of the midwifery course. This tuition is purposely for Alveoli e-learning students and anyone interested in health education only, and should not be replaced with textbook or classroom tuition. One may ask, what is really the scope or boundaries of the midwifery or maternal and child health course? Midwifery is a form of specialty and doesn't require you to move away from your actual course learning. All you have to do is to understand these 4 pillars below, which forms the foundation of midwifery. 1. Conception. 2. Pregnancy. 3. Labor. 4. Puerperium. So let's have a look at conception. Conception occurs when there is joining or fusion of an ovum from a female with a sperm from a male. Now let's look at pregnancy. After conception, the fertilized ovum have to develop in the uterus for 9 months. Pregnancy occurs when an egg fertilized by a sperm grows inside a woman's uterus or womb and develops into a baby. Now let's look at labor. After the fetus has developed for 9 months, it has to come out by a process known as labor, which is the rhythmic painful contraction of the uterus to expel the content of the uterus. To understand how mechanism occurs in the first 3, we need to understand and be very good in reproductive anatomy 1 and 2. During pregnancy and labor, certain medications may be prescribed to help the pregnant woman go through the above process and deliver successfully. Hence the need to study pharmacology in midwifery to understand how these medications work after administration and their side effects. After delivery, the care provided to the mother and child is what forms puerperium. During the first 28 days of life of the baby can develop a disease, hence the need to study high-risk neonate. Also, the mother will like to space the birth of children, hence the need to study family planning. So all that I have mentioned above are the normal process or physiology that occurs from successful conception, pregnancy, labor to puerperium. However, any situation or condition or disease that will affect any of the stages above that will become a hindrance or stop or terminate or affects in any way the above normal process makes the process abnormal. Hence, 1. Abnormal pregnancy. 2. Abnormal labor. 3. Abnormal puerperium. At Alveoli e-learning, we provide simple tutorials to support midwifery students to understand all the above mentioned, to make them have confidence during exams on all we have discussed about in the midwifery course. End of introduction to midwifery course by Alveoli e-learning. Comments and ask your questions. Watch out for more simple tuition on Alveoli e-learning. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more simple tutorials. Alveoli e-learning, bringing simple tuition to your doorsteps. Call or contact +233549556116 on WhatsApp for further tuition and explanation on any health tutorial.